Welcome to the Educational Camp Come Counseling Session by Enviro Skills Academy, providing 100% international placement. We are offering scholarship to students getting on the spot registration. So please join us on the 8th and 9th of May 2024.
Kaharijan Panchayat Committee HPC hakajing alam u General Secretary Gurjit Singh haringkat kajing adon lang u Jagdeep Singh Secretary ke Delhi Gurudwara Committee kila Kubur banna ki laispa saupu artli ki Longïing ki berjia keren ban penkenria na Īewmawlong don naki ki bamdei ki Trei bat ke Sorkar. Habakran shikilat pathai Kubur hadin kajing alang bat ke high level committee jo ke Sorkar jalla hakajing alam u ba Preston ten song kumu chairman baru berdeiru sembut menteri rang ba ke jalla beri pej ke tanat kampo Ying hakanyau Trei ujemang arja arpusau kini kinoy alam kila penkesan pat makidei ki bela sak Slem hakatai ke Jaka.
I think this is our fourth meeting with the government. It is a very fruitful meeting. We had discussions on various aspects in continuation to our last meeting, and in short I would say it is a fruitful meeting, and there is not anything concluded, but yes, we have fixed another meeting that is in the first week of June, where hopefully I think we would reach to some conclusion. Those are just allegations, but that is not the truth. That is not the truth.
But was this issue?
It was already surveyed in 2007, whereby the HPC and government was agreed that about the number of families residing there. So it is later on it's thought, but actually it is not correct. You see, that demand is still there. We had discussion on that topic, but nothing is finalized yet. But yes, there is a progress. The final will be decided in the next meeting in first week of June.
But what is the response of the government?
See, government response is positive. As I told, we had a fruitful discussion. It is on the positive note. We are also moving ahead. So there are certain issues which we have discussed today. We'll go back, we'll discuss with our people, and then we'll see what best can be done. We also want an amicable solution. So hopefully we'll reach to some conclusion.
If you can tell us what are these other issues that you have discussed in the meeting?
See, basically there are certain things which I think we'll discuss among our people, which I can't disclose to the media today. But yes, as I told you, to some extent we had a good discussion on a positive note, and once we take the consent of our people, then of course we will disclose to the media also. See, all the meetings are being done on the basis of the High Court directions that let's do the settlement by dialogue. So
do you see that next meeting will be a decisive meeting, will be the final one?
I hope so. Let's see.
जो 342 फैमिलीज है ना, वो गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय है या उनके बाप दादा जो थे वो काम करते थे, और ये कॉलोनी मतलब सिर्फ एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए नहीं है. ये कॉलोनी हम लोग 200 साल से यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, और ये कॉलोनी जो है ये एक तरह का मतलब जो लोकल पीपल और हमारा कम्युनिटी का साथ में जो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है, उसके लिए हम लोग ये बात पे आए हैं कि हम लोग चाहते हैं कि ये सेटलमेंट हो जाए. और अगर मतलब इसमें ये नहीं है कि कोई नौकरी करता है या नहीं करता है, जो गवर्नमेंट के साथ पहले से बात हुआ है, जो हम लोग क्लेम कर रहे हैं हाई कोर्ट में भी, उसी के आधार पर हम ये मांग रहे हैं कि जो हमारी फैमिलीज है 342 फैमिलीज है, उनको सेटलमेंट किया जाए.
मतलब आप कहना चाहते हैं that 342 फैमिलीज एम्प्लॉयज का नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी आप चाहते हैं उनको भी सेटल किया जाए.
See, the issue is not of whether they are employee or not, but since they are residing there for years, centuries, so whether they or their forefathers but the actual numbers, it was like, the size, it was 342.
So do you feel this demand is right? Because many say that, only government employees can make such
See, it is the people who are staying there for years, it's centuries. So how you can say it is not, demand is not reasonable?